What's up? My name is Pietro. I'm a fourth-year ceramics student in product design, and this is the ceramic studio. I'd like to show you around a bit. So maybe we can start off with the store. We have our own store where you can buy plaster, porcelain, all sorts of ceramics equipment that you need. And then from the store we can go into the main workspace, which is over here. Here you sometimes have class, and here sometimes you have also just your own free time that you can work on your own things. And next to here we have our kilns, and we have a nice amount of kilns in here that you can use. Then we have the glaze room, which is the step before the kilns, which you can just choose your own glazes for any types of ceramics, as we mentioned, and in all of them they can create crazy different effects, and you can just have fun with these glazes and spend some time there. Over here in the corner of the room we have our assistants, which you can find, and some turning wheels over here. In here, you can find everything you need for plaster. You can work on plaster, you can do turning in plaster, you can make molds like I'm doing over here and like she's preparing. And this is the main area where most of the things happen. So you typically start off in plaster and then go to finishing clay and then glaze and have fun with that. So here on the left we have some storage, and you can find shelves everywhere around that you can store your clay or your different molds and everything. And here we have a little quick kind of conveyor belt in a way of just raw clay, bisque-fired clay, and glaze-fired clay, which is a process of when it goes through the kiln, and you can just put up your works here and then they put them in for you and fire them. And here we have the liquid plastics area, which is where you can do any kind of silicon molds or silicon type of work and plastic work. And then over here we have our graduation spaces where you can find me, for example, or at least this year. But all the graduate students for ceramics in particular will stay here, and here we have a little office room, and here is also another classroom for students to study and produce their own work, of course, if they want. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Check out my work and have a great time. See you.